slot. Sorry, Spitfire, straight 9. Yep. We'll just pick our way through this as we go along, but basically we want you to listen and watch. That lovely smooth sound. Just a quick show of hands. Who's seen Reach for the Sky? Who's seen the film Reach for the Sky? Right, plenty of you. You'll remember there was a narrator, Jeffrey Stevenson. Well, this is his aircraft, his Spitfire.
The most famous airworthy Spitfires of all, the old Flying Machine Company's Mark 9 MH434. veterans. As John mentioned, the Mark 1A, serial N3200, a reconstruction of a number 19 squadron aircraft from very early in World War II. It flew just one operational mission in the hands of squadron leader Geoffrey Stevenson of the Duxton Base number 19 squadron. After shooting down a Luftwaffe Junkers Ju-87 Stuka dive bomber, Stevenson himself was down, and it led to the forced landing on the beach at Sangatte. MH434, meanwhile, the Mark 9 from the old Flying Machine Company, quite apart from its post-service legendary status in the hands of Ray Hanna and many others. A combat veteran with number 222 Natal Squadron, notably in the hands of Flight Lieutenant Henry Lardner Burke, DFC, a South African. In his hands, MH434 scored numerous combat kills, and the Mark 5C AR501 of the Shuttleworth collection that's just landed in the hands of Dodge Bailey. That aircraft has a very notable combat career as well, and having seen the Spitfire of BBMF at the start of the show, the Polish squadron colours, there we see a Spitfire in Czechoslovak squadron colours, specifically those of number 312 Squadron, one of the two Czechoslovak units with which AR501 served during wartime. Before that it was with number 310 Squadron, flew on fighter sweeps and bomber escort sorties, took part in operations over Dieppe in August 1942, and in May had even escorted that most famed of Boeing B-17 flying fortresses, Memphis Belle. Later, with number 312 Squadron, there was more action for AR501, when notably it escorted Westland Whirlwind on an anti-shipping strike off Guernsey, on one occasion scraping a German flagship from a range of 500 yards down to just 100 yards. Its final combat mission was on the 29th of January 1944, escorting 36 B-26 Marauders to attack a target near Dieppe.